Yakima Chief Raches is an integrated crop management company located in the Yakima Valley. Our main facility is in Zillah, Washington, and we also operate facilities and fields in Granger, Toppenish, and Moxie. At YCR, we work to develop new, novel hop varieties that create value throughout the supply chain. In addition to breeding, we also manage brands to ensure the highest quality product possible for breweries. Here at our headquarters, we have 2 large conference rooms for meetings, which are utilized for hosting events related to the hop industry, including grower outreach events, industry partner hosted events, and community events. It was built with the intention of being a hub for the wider hop industry, as well as a space for our local community. The newest addition to our facility is the pilot brewery. The brew house is a custom 3-barrel system which enables us to pilot brew test batches of beer with our newly created hop varieties early on in the breeding process. We also house our experimental tasting room. The tasting room allows us to showcase new varieties of beer to our industry partners and visiting brewers to gather feedback and inform our selection process. We included some unique features, like reclaimed materials from old hop kilns to show our appreciation for the history of the industry. The bar top, ceiling, and sideboards are just some of those really cool features. YCR also houses a sensory evaluation program. Our employees are trained and participate in blind panels to assess new hop varieties and beers brewed with those varieties. Samples are viewed under red light to diminish the visual characteristics of the hop samples. Participants evaluate between 150 and 200 new hop varieties in the development pipeline each year, and the data collected from the sensory panels is utilized internally for the advancement of hop varieties within the development pipeline. The YCR laboratory is split into 2 main areas: research plant science and commercial propagation. The research plant science side of the lab focuses on viral testing, viral therapy, plant genetics, and general research. And the commercial plant propagation area focuses on tissue culture propagation of clean plant material for downstream commercial use in hop yards. One of our main goals is to provide virus-free material at the farm level. Clean, virus-free plants are more vigorous, which in turn requires less farm-level inputs while producing higher yields at harvest. The use of virus-free planting material creates a more sustainable and economical hop industry. The commercial propagation area of the lab focuses on micropropagation tissue culture, where virus and virode-free mother plants are micropropagated into tubs containing 25 plants. The subcultured plants are genetically identical, virus-free plants. Once the plants are micropropagated, the plantlets grow in agarose gel in our grow room. The grow room is a temperature, light, and humidity controlled room where plants grow, mature, and are constantly evaluated for quality control before being sent to the greenhouse. Once plants are ready to be planted, they come to what we call the sticking line in the head house. Plants are stuck based on their format. We use clean tissue culture plants, clean rhizome cuttings, and clean mother stock for softwood propagation. Once in their plug trays, they are placed in the misting bay, where the plants are fully rooted into soil media. Much like the grow room, the misting bay is light, temperature, and humidity controlled, enabling our team to grow plants year-round. When the plants are fully rooted into their plug tray, the plants are popped out and planted in final size containers. Plants unpotted into their final size containers are moved to production greenhouses that are light and temperature controlled environments. We operate an integrated pest management program to reduce the need for chemical inputs through the use of beneficial insects and bacteria. Plants will grow to full root in their final container before being moved to the outside environment. Plants exiting the production greenhouses are moved to cold frames to make the final transition to the exterior environment. The cold frames are temperature controlled, and the side walls will automatically go up and down based on the outside temperature. This gives the plants a smooth transition to the ambient conditions outside and prevents shocking or stunting of plants being removed from the controlled environment. Once the plants are acclimated to the exterior environment, the plants are loaded onto racks and placed on trucks for final delivery to the farms to produce the highest quality hops possible, helping strengthen the supply chain and add value from growers to the brewers all the way to the end consumer.